Good morning students, welcome to CKRT online classes. Today I am here with your solution part of your exercise 1.5 and 1.6. Okay students, so open your book, page number 21 and your first question is what? Question number 1 is write the successor and predecessor of the following numbers. So successor and predecessor you have to write and this number. So successor means क्या है और predecessor means क्या है? Predecessor means होता है किसी भी नंबर का previous वाला नंबर और successor means होता है तुम्हारा next वाला नंबर. Okay, so here numbers are given and for that number you have to write the predecessor and successor. If we subtract 1 from that number, the given number, then we will get predecessor, and if we add 1 to this number, then we will get the successor. Okay, so let's do your question number 1, exercise 1.5, number 1. Okay. Okay students, so these are your numbers. And for these numbers you have to write predecessor first, then successor. Okay, so how can you get the predecessor of this number? Simply by subtracting 1 from this number, then we will get the predecessor. Okay, so let's subtract here 54,880 minus 1. Okay, the 1 cannot be subtracted from 0, so it will borrow 1 10 from this number, then it will be 10 and it will be 7. Okay, now 10 minus 1 is your 9 and 7 is 7. Next 8, next 54. So we get the number 54,879. So the answer is 4,879. Okay, next for successor. For successor we must add 1. Okay, अब हम माइनस के क्या करेंगे, हम प्लस करेंगे. Okay, so now add 1 to this number. 0 plus 1 is 0, 1, 8 is 8, 4, 5, and we get the answer 54,881. So write here 54,881. Okay, next come to your number B. Here the number is what? 81 9 and 1 10, 1 is carry over, 9 and 1 again 10, 1 is carry over, 6 and 1 7. Okay, next 3 and 8. So here you successfully 83,700. Okay, next come to your G number. Here your number is 20,100. Okay, now subtract 1 from this number, 1 from this number. is open side. Let's compare D number. 47,787 and 53,978. Digits are also same number, but digits are also present. Now compare the first digit here 4, here 6. Which one is greater? 6 is greater, so 4. Symbol like this. Okay. Next compare E number. Here 22,396. So first digit is 2. Here also 2 equal. This one also equal. And this one also equal. But 6. Here 6 and here 9. So this number is greater than this one. Let's compare F number. Here number of digits are also equal. Number of digits are equal and each digit are also equal. So these two numbers are equal. So keep a symbol like this. Okay, students, up to F number and T. Now do other 4 number G, H, I, Z by yourself. Next come to your number 3. So your 3 number is what? Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So student, ascending order means what? सबको तो मालूम है. Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller number to greater number. Okay, so let's do your A number here. The first number is what? 81,253. 81,253. Okay, next one is 59,506. Third one is 54,326. Fourth one is 87,024. We have compared all these 4 numbers first. Okay, so your answer will be, you have to write the smallest number first. So find out the smallest number among all these. So first compare the first digit. Here all the numbers have 5 digits, equal number of digits. So first compare the first digit. Here 8, here 5, here 6, here again 8. तो इसमें से तुम्हारा छोटा कौन सा 5 था Okay, do like this other number C, D, and E number. Okay, next come to your fourth number. Here, fourth number is arrange the given number in descending order. This is the opposite of your ascending order. तो इसमें क्या करना है हमें? छोटा नंबर को बड़ा नंबर को फर्स्ट लिखेंगे, नेक्स्ट छोटा नंबर को बाद में लिखते जाएंगे. ओके, so let's do your number 4. Here, your first number is how much? 47,653. Third one is 34,567. Fourth one is 26,435. And last one is 57,624. Okay, now add it without ascending order. So you have to write it for greatest number first. So here all the numbers extend by number of digits. There is 5 digits. Now compare the first digits. Here 4, here 3, here 2, here 5. Among all these, the 5 is the greatest. So first random number is 7,624 into 2 plus greater than symbol. Next, उससे छोटा नंबर 4 है. So write here 47,653. Okay. Next, उससे छोटा 3. So हम लिखेंगे 34,567. Next, उससे छोटा that is last one is 26,435. Okay. Next number your B number. Here in your B number the numbers are 34,289, 34,829, and here 34,928, and here 34,489. Okay, the number of digits are also same. So first compare the number of each digit. तो यहाँ पर 34 है, यहाँ पर भी 34 है, यहाँ पर भी 34 है, यहाँ पर भी 34. सब इक्वल है. हम क्या करेंगे? नेक्स्ट डिजिट को कंपेयर करेंगे. Here 2, here 8, here 9, here 4. So among all these, which one is larger? 9 is larger. So this one. This is the largest one. 34,928. Next उससे छोटा कौन सा है? यह हमारा 9, यह आया 8. तो 8 हो गया छोटा नंबर इससे. 34,829. नेक्स्ट उससे छोटा 4 है, इधर 4 होगा 34,489. नेक्स्ट उससे छोटा होगा 34,289. Okay students, so do other C, D, E number by yourself. Okay, next come to your number 5. Here this is some word problem. Solve the following word problems. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, your first number is what? A train. A number is a train was carrying passenger from Delhi to Chennai. एक ट्रेन कहाँ से आ रहा था? पैसेंजर लेकर दिल्ली से निकला और चेन्नई को आ रहा था. नेक्स्ट, इट हैड इन दिस ट्रेन, दैट मीन्स 18,920 आर मेन एंड 25,487 आर वुमेन. ओके, वेयर देयर मोर मेन और वुमेन. तो इसमें पूछा गया है तुम्हें कहाँ पे ये ट्रेन में मेन ज़्यादा है या वुमेन. सो लेट्स कंपेयर द नंबर ऑफ मेन एंड वुमेन Okay, now compare these two numbers. Which one is the best? Number of digits equal. Now compare here 1, here 2. Then this one is greater. On Sunday, what goods were sold? So write here hence. On Sunday, more tickets were sold. Okay, so students, with this number, your exercise 1.5 is complete. Next, we will do exercise 1.6. So open your book, page number 24. That is your exercise 1.6. Let's continue with one number. Round off the given numbers to the nearest 10. तो हमें क्या करना है? राउंड ऑफ. राउंड ऑफ मीन्स क्या होता है? लगभग हमें कौन सा नंबर के आसपास है वो नंबर को हम लिखते हैं. तो राउंड ऑफ हमें कौन सा प्लेस में करना है? टेंथ प्लेस में करना है. तो देखो ये जितने सारे भी नंबर दिए गए उसका टेंथ प्लेस में हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है. सो व्हाइल यू आर राउंडिंग ऑफ एनी नंबर, फर्स्ट वी मस्ट डिवाइड द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स, दैट इज 1 से लेकर 9 तक. हमें क्या करना है? 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. इन योर फर्स्ट पार्ट there are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In one first part में आता है. And in your second part there are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so these are the digits. So let's do your one number first here. A number. तो यहाँ पर देखो हमारा टेंथ प्लेस में कितना है? 6 है. This is your 1, this is your 6. तुम्हें जो प्लेस को तुम्हें राउंड ऑफ करना रहेगा उससे पहले वाले नंबर को मैं देखूंगी. तो हम 6 को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? 8 को लिखेंगे. तो 8 जो देखो तुम्हारा कौन सा पार्ट में है? फर्स्ट पार्ट में है या सेकंड पार्ट में? Here 8 is coming under your second part. When your number is coming or digit is coming under your second part, you simply add 1 to the tens place. Okay, and right after that the number of digits remain is become 0. Okay, so first write down here. Sorry. Yes. यहाँ पर देखो 8 है तो ये 8 है तो सेकंड पार्ट में आना है तो हमें ये प्लेस में 1 प्लस करना पड़ेगा. तो देखो 6 में 1 प्लस 3 तो कितना हुआ? 7 हुआ. तो राइट डाउन हियर 7. उसके बाद कितना डिजिट है? 8 डिजिट है. तो राइट हियर 1 0. That means 68 is rounded up to 70. Okay, next come to your B number. Here, in base there is 9 and the previous digit is 8 and 8 is coming under 8 and sorry second part. So now add 1 to this number. इसमें हम 1 प्लस करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा कितना? 9 0 10. 10 हो जाएगा कितने? 9 becomes 10 हो जाएगा. चलो यहाँ पे 1 प्लस करेंगे. 10. तो यहाँ पे 1 प्लस ये रहेगा. ये हो जाएगा ये हो जाएगा हमारा 0 हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसमें हम 0 प्लस करें तो 9 and 1 10. 1 is taken over to this 1, then 2 and 1 3. तो ये हो गया 30. Okay, 30 हो गया. देखो 1 प्लस करने से 30 होता है. नेक्स्ट इसके बाद 1 डिजिट है तो यहाँ पर 1 0. So the answer is 298 is rounded to 300. Next number is C number. Here tens place is in tens place is 2 and the previous digit is 1 that is coming under your first part. When your number is coming under your first part, there will no changes will be occurred. Okay, so write this as 1 3 8 2 and for that for this after that the number of digits the present for them you have to write 0. तो यहाँ पर 1 है 1 है तो हम 1 0 एक ही digit है तो 1 0 होती है. नेक्स्ट हम here B number write the first digit is 7 and once इससे पहले वाला digit जो है 2 है तो 2 is coming under your first part so there will be no changes. 35 7 7. ये टेंथ प्लेस में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. ये हो जाएगा 0 क्योंकि टेंस प्लेस के बाद एक ले देते तो 10 इज कम टू हियर। तो देखो यहाँ पे 0 इज कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट पार्ट, तो यहाँ पर चेंजेस कुछ नहीं होगा 67 एंड ये हो जाएगा 300 क्योंकि 29 में 1